Okay guys, most of them asked me how to analyze the pairs. Like we have a number of pairs in Forex market, and today we are going to learn how to analyze the market, any of the market. Okay, fine. Today I'm going to take this GBP USD. For example, let me start my analysis with the help of month candle. Actually, it's enough to start with the week candle, but let's have some little bit more precise. Okay, it's forming some sort of downtrend. Every time you can see that the price reaching some higher highs, and then you can see lower highs. This is we call as lower highs, and it acting as a resistance zone. Similarly, we can get one more trend line here, and it acting as a support. Every time you can see once the price reaching to this zone, it acting as a support. And now to get more precise, I'm going to open week candle. In week candle you can see similarly this is the same downtrend it's following, and to get more precise, we'll draw some higher highs and lower lows with the help of this line. Here this is the price where last week which would maximum reached, and next I'm going to draw one more line where is the previous low, previous week low. So now I'm going to open day candle. Whenever we see with the help of day candle, you can see it broke this trend line. Actually, even in day candle we can see this is a sort of trend line here. After this we have seen a strong jump, and then it came to this resistance zone. Similarly, now it's going to fall now. So where can we enter to get more like we can't enter with the help of day candle analysis. We have to get more precise analysis with the help of H4 and M15 candle. Now I can see that I can observe there is a bullish market, and we don't see any strong H4 candle. There is a strong red candle we have seen, but similarly the price is reaching some higher highs, but it taking too many H4 candles to reach some higher highs. But when it comes to red candle, it falls suddenly. So with that you can say that buyers are not that much active. When come to sellers are more active. So when these buyers are going to, now we are not going to go for any buy position, we are going to go for selling position. So when we have to take selling position, for that I am going to draw this. This is a flagged pattern. You can see this is a flagged pattern. When I am open with H1 candle and some M30 candle, you can see that more precise. So if you want to enter here, clearly I want to make you to understand more better here. If you want to enter, I will draw this is my resistance zone, and if the price reaches to around this zone, then I am going to take a sell position around this zone, and my stop loss might around here, and my target is I am going to choose this man, because these are the possibilities now we have, and we have to cut one of the target is around this. We can see if you want to take the trade here. In the middle of the trade we can cut 50% of profit, and rest of them we have to follow it. This is how we have to trade, and these are the possibilities now after analyzing this GBP USD. Similarly we can do in every other pairs. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel SVP Trades here.